Alright, look how bad this is. You see that there's my friend's car, my friend's van, my other friend's truck, and I'm referring to them as friends because I can't tell you if they're staff or what, because I can get in big trouble for that, so I'm just going to use the word friends. But listen to this. Just listen to how loud that was. And I have a feeling another one's coming.
See that? Bridget's usually here early.
Yeah, it's 10:52. She might be stuck in the rain.
Probably. Oh, that was nice.
Man, that was a big one. That was a good one. Look how big these look how big this is. That's a big flashlight in the sky. I'm trying to make it where I make YouTube videos for a living. I want to do that for a living. So I can start becoming famous, then I can have my own place far away from where I'm living where I don't have to be around Luke. Crap, I forgot my camera was on and it actually recorded me saying the housemate's name.
It's okay.
My mom doesn't want that in my videos. That's the problem. Wonder how long this thing will go before it decides to end the video. For those of you that are watching probably this video right after I upload it, if you hear me mentioning my housemate's name, just forget that I said that, because I'm not supposed to be mentioning any of my housemates' names in my video. I could say my housemate, or I could say the person I'm not getting along with, but I'm not going to say my housemate's name again in any of my videos. I know I made that mistake in this one, but just ignore it. Wow, 4 minutes and 13 seconds. I missed it. Wanted to get it in my snapshot.
Everybody on my Facebook is like, Most of them all over down
Okay, for those of you that do watch storm videos on YouTube, you probably haven't seen ones from all the way over here, from where I'm at. I'm not going to tell you where I'm at because I can get in big trouble for that. So just making YouTube videos is what I want to do for a living. And with the help of you guys that watch my videos, I can probably achieve that. Got that one. Can't believe I missed the first one. If I would have gotten 2 of those in one video, oh my gosh, my video would probably hit the big times on that. A lot of people on YouTube that watch these storm videos will probably like this storm video.
there. Lots of a lot more than trees all in the car.